with the blowing winds from the four corners of the heaven, with the vibes of liberty and freedom, with a strong determination to bring about a positive change, we stand here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of our country. A very fine and pleasant morning to all, esteemed principal, fathers, sisters, benevolent teachers, supporting staff, and dear students. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It's a great and proud day for all of us. On this day, we got freedom from the slavery of British rule. Year 2021 has been a tumultuous year. We have many ups and downs due to corona pandemic. But the spirits of patriotism are not damped. With the same zeal and enthusiasm, let's join together for a celebration of Independence Day of our nation. Now, I would like to call Namita ma'am and group for a prayer song to invoke the God blessings.
ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರೇವ ಈ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೋಗದು ನೀ ಬರದೆ ಈ ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ತಲಾಗದು ಈ ಬದುಕು ನೀನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೋಗದು ನೀ ಬರದೆ ಈ ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ತಲಾಗದು ಈ ಬದುಕು ನೀನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ಬಾರೇವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರೇವ ಈ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ ನೀನಿರದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ಯಾರೋ ಈ ಮನೆಯ ಹಂಗೇತಕೋ ಮನೆಯೊಡೆಯ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಸಿ ಬದುಕು ಈ ಜಗತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ಬಾರೇವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರೇವ ಈ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ ಈ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ.
Thank you, dear teachers. It is the time to welcome all the dignitaries for this wonderful occasion. I invite Shahnaz ma'am to welcome all.
Good morning, dear minds. Let be freedom in mind, soul and body, faith in your words and pride in your nature. Let us express our deepest gratitude to those who sacrificed their lives to give us freedom. With the deepest respect and eternal gratitude, we salute the Indian heroes. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I feel honored to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion. Let us celebrate the day that gave us the freedom of thought, action, faith, and speech. To celebrate the 75th Independence Day celebration, I cordially invite our honorable principal, who is the backbone of our institution, Reverend Father Joseph Verghese. On behalf of all BMIs, I welcome you, Father. A hearty welcome to our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Tito, who is an orator, singer. Murti chikkadaದರೂ ಇವರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. We welcome you, Father, on behalf of all BMIs. In his absence, a warm welcome to our manager, Reverend Father Choco, a diligent personality. Welcome, Father. I take a privilege to welcome Father Shiban, who is the rector of our institution. I welcome you to this Independence Day celebration. Welcome, Father. A special welcome to our dynamic person, Reverend Father Thomas. Welcome, Father. A warm welcome to our sweet, smiling face Sister Dhanya, who is the head of this primary section, headmistress, coordinator of higher primary section. I welcome you, sister. A cordial welcome to all the coordinators. PU section coordinator, Mrs. Pretty. High school section, Mrs. Sridevi, and primary section, Mrs. Mamata. Welcome you all. A cheerful welcome to all the staff faculties, office front, supporting staff of Bharat Mata Institution. I welcome all the parents and staff, students of Bharat Mata Institution. I'm very pleased to welcome the toppers of PU section and SSLC, both of a batch of 2020 and 21. You're welcome. Once again, I welcome each one of you here and hope that you all will have a peaceful Independence Day celebration. गूंज रहा है भारत में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा आसमान में देश का सितारा। आज़ादी के दिन आओ मिलकर दुआ करें कि बुलंदी पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। जय हिंद। Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, dear Shahnaz ma'am. A cordial welcome to you too. We are celebrating 15th August of every year as Independence Day to commemorate the sacrifice made by our freedom fighters to give this wonderful life of freedom that we are living today. Now, we will have a very auspicious flag waving ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. I would like to welcome our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Joseph Verghese, to hoist our national flag on behalf of our school. I invite our PT teachers, Somshekar Sir, Shivraj Sir and Swarnalata Ma'am to assist them. Thank you, fathers and teachers. Once, Martin Luther King said, "To other countries, I may go as tourist, but to India, I come as a pilgrim. That is the pride of our India. In the history of India, August 15 is also called as Red Letter Day. Now, I welcome Shirley Ma'am to deliver a speech about importance of this day.
Freedom we gain by freedom fighters, ancestors and martyrs. Let me value it. A warm wishes for everyone on this auspicious day. Happy morning. Respected Reverend Fathers, beloved sister, my colleagues and my dear students. First and foremost, I would like to salute our motherland and national flag. Now I would like to pay the homage for our martyrs, ancestors and freedom fighters. August 15th, 1947, we got independence. On this special day, every year we celebrate Independence Day. And we'll live it up. We will celebrate in grand way with the zeal by flag hoisting, cultural events and by distributing the sweets. And we will give the message on the same day. But we have to see whether it is carried by our students. Our students, our kids, are future citizens. It is our duty to preach them about the patriotism. Patriotism, once the word was stood for sacrifice and dying for one's own country. But now the sacrifice, the patriotism stands for the prosperity of our country immensely in abundance. So it is our duty to preach them about the patriotism. There are many circumstances, many social evils, those we are facing in our country. So that we have to face and we have to teach our students how to face. So when we walk in our life, the journey of our life, we got the two bags. In that, in one bag, we carry off kindness, courage, love and affection, compassion. In other bag, we carry cruelty, rudeness, corruption, bribe, social evils, etc. But still, the weightage goes for kindness. It is proved that in the scale of the weightage for kindness, it is proved that by the natural calamities, distraction, floods and especially COVID-19 virus. So it is the teacher's duty to focus our students to lead them in the right path. And we have to tell our students about the determination. Once Swami Vivekananda was moving on the bridge of America. He saw few kids were throwing the stones on the shells, eggshells, which was on the water. They could not hit and break it. But this person, Swami Vivekananda, was looking at that and asked them, "Shall I try it?" They turned and saw the attire of the sage and ignored it. But again, they focused on eating the shell, but they could not eat it. Again he asked, "Shall I try it once again?" They agreed and gave the stone for him. Within a minute, he ate through the stone all the shells. The boys was wondered, excited, turned to him and asked whether you got the practice or whether you trained. He smiled and said, no, it is only the focus. Concentration is more important. To reach any goals, it is the duty we have to concentrate, focus, hard work and determination, commitment. So all those things we should have. So these all we have learned from our ancestors, freedom fighters. So it is our duty to make our students to follow the footsteps of the ancestors and our martyrs. Let us join together for the prosperities of this country and teach the good way for our students. Hand in hand, let us go together. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful speech. A patriotic song is one which inspires feelings of pride in one's country. We will have a patriotic song by our PU students. I am honored to invite our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Joseph Verghese, to deliver a message for this day.
Respected fathers, brothers and sisters, dear faculty, my dear students and parents. First of all, I wish you all the greetings of the 75th Independence Day of our nation. Today, we are commemorating our martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for our nation. We are proud to be called Indians because we are living in a beautiful, free, democratic and republic country. Many times, many of us are misinterpreted and misunderstood the word freedom. Freedom is not a license, whatever one can do. Oliver rightly said, my freedom ends where others' laws begin. My freedom ends where others' laws begin. We are celebrating 75th year of Indian independence. As we all know, we were slaves under British rule for many years, and our freedom was curtailed. Once again, we are in the clutches of COVID-19. In another way, we can speak, we are against slaves, not under the British rule, but a pandemic. This pandemic is taken away our freedom today. Dear teachers and students, freedom is nothing but it is a state of mind to adjust and adopt our lives and our mind to a new normal situation. We are very much aware of our rights, but many times we forget or neglect our duties towards our nation. Let's think what I can contribute to my motherland. Let's mold our young generation to become more responsible citizens. Let's educate them to love the nation and its heritage and diversity. Let's unite to build a clean and green India. Once again, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you, Jai Bharat Mata.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring speech. Now, I hand over my responsibility to our coordinators, Priti Ma'am and Sridevi Ma'am, to honor the achievers of PU and SSLC.
A very pleasant morning to Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, respected parents, and dear students. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. Dear all, it has been proven that recognition of one's efforts is highly valued than money. When it comes to academics, it's customary in our society to recognize the highest achievers. This year, the students of Bharat Mata College have achieved 100% result, and it is a proud moment for the entire BMI family. 23 students have grabbed distinction, 82 students with first class, and remaining students have successfully cleared the board exams. I wish a hearty congratulations to all the students. Honoring the toppers is a memorable, proud, special and most awaited event for every institution as well as for every student. It gives a sense of happiness and a sense of responsibility for fulfilling new commitments with dedication. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to announce the toppers of both Science and Commerce stream. The highest score in Science stream is backed by Rakshita DJ for obtaining 598 marks out of 600. And also, I am delighted to announce Atulya MV from Commerce stream for securing 579 marks out of 600. Now, it's time to honor the PUC toppers of the academic year 2020-21. With great honor and respect, may I invite our beloved principal, Reverend Father Joseph Verghese, to felicitate Rakshita DJ. I request Rakshita DJ to come on to the stage with your parents. Thank you, Father. May I humbly request our beloved Vice Principal, Reverend Father Tito, to honor Atulya MV. I request Atulya MV to come on to the stage with your parents. I congratulate and appreciate the top scorers and their parents who have put faith, hope and love together and have raised a positive person in society. And also, I wish all my dear students a bright and successful future ahead. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Pratama. Good morning, India. Ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for the country. A salute to the soldiers who risk their lives for our country. A salute to the citizens who make our country proud. Warm wishes to all on the grand occasion of Indian Independence Day. Well, we the teachers of Bharat Mata are proud to see our students excel in every sphere of education. I'm Sri Devi, very pleased to take up this privilege to announce the toppers of SSLC batch 2020-21. I now welcome on stage Navishri SD, who has secured 95.84% with a total of 599 marks. Navishri, you may please come on the stage along with your father. I request Reverend Father Thomas to honor the topper, please. I welcome on stage the second topper, Tarun SV, who has secured 95.52% with a total of 597 marks. Tarun, you're welcome. Dear children, your effort is sure to win. Keep up your spirit. Best wishes for your bright future.
Thank you, fathers. Thank you, Pretty Ma'am and Sri Devi Ma'am. A special thanks to our achievers and their parents. Dear all, freedom was hard to get, but we were blessed to have it. We are indebted to our national heroes who made this country what is today. We are at the concluding stage of this celebration. Now I would like to call Bindu Ma'am to extend gratitude to everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Happy 75th Independence Day. During this pandemic and harmful situation, we were unable to find another platform to celebrate 75th Independence Day. Even though in digital form we all participated with great patriotism, and yet we celebrated it in an amazing manner. Yes, our students twinkled like stars in the sky with their caliber. Through this ample opportunity, we realized our children's real talent and skill. It was outstanding. Reverend Principal Father Joseph Varghese, I would like to thank you for making this event a great success by arranging many competitions to our children and making them not to miss our very important national event, the Independence Day. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Reverend Father Tito, for uplifting our children's wisdom in a magnificent and unique way. Thank you, Father. Dear Reverend Father Chaco, you are the backbone of this institution by managing financial efficiently. Thank you, Father. My special thanks to Reverend Father Thomas. Thank you, Father. My sincere gratitude towards Reverend Father Shilin. Thank you, Father. I would like to thank our ever-smiling face, our dear Sister Danya, for lighting up our higher primary section. Thank you, Sister. The name itself suggests how pretty you are inside and out. I would like to thank Pretty Ma'am for your great assistance for this occasion. Thank you, Ma'am. Being loved by all the children is not an easy thing. I would like to thank Sri Devi Ma'am for being children's favorite and a great language mentor. Thank you, Ma'am. Born talent and enthusiastic, the person who makes everybody happy by her impromptu skills. Thank you, Mamata Ma'am. I also like to thank all the students who participated in the competition, our teaching and non-teaching staff of Bharat Mata family. Once again, happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Bindu ma'am. May this tricolor flag always fly high and higher and touch the sky. Let us celebrate the glory of free India and uphold the pride and honor of being an Indian. It's been a pleasure being with all of you today. Wish you all once again a happy Independence Day. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
ನನ್ನನೆಲಾಹಿ ನನ್ನ ಜಲ ನನ್ನಮ್ಮನಿ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ನಗುತ್ತಿರುನಿ ನನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ನೀ ಕ್ಷಣ ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇ ನನ್ನನೆಲ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಜಲ ನನ್ನ ಜನಮನ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ನಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಬಾರಂಗಳದಿ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತಲಿ ಆ ತಿರಂಗ ಧ್ವಜವೇ ಕಾಣಿಸಲಿ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಮರಳಿದರು ಆ ದೇಹ ಅದು ಅಳಿಸಿದರು ಈ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಅನದಿರು ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಯುವೆ ನಿನ್ನೆದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವೆ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಅಳದಿರು ಈ ಅಂಚದಿರು ನೀ ಅಡುಕದಿರು ಕೈ ತುತ್ತಿನ ಬಲವೋ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿದೆ ಆ ವೈರಿಗಳ ತಲೆ ಉರುಳಿಸಲು ಕಾದು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇ ಅಂಚದಿರು ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು ರಣಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಭಾರತವೇ ಜಯವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಹಿಮ ಪರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಗಣಮನ ಹಾಡೇ ಕಂಪಿಸಲಿ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಮರಳಿದರು ಆ ದೇಹ ಅದು ಅಳಿಸಿದರು ಈ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಅನದಿರು ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಯುವೆ ನಿನ್ನೆದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವೆ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಅಳದಿರು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಬಿಡು ನನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಡು ನಾನಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೋರುವೆನು ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮರು ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬೇಡುವೆನು ನೀ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಬಿಡು ನೀ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಡು ನಾನಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡುವೆನು ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮರು ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬೇಡುವೆನು ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಮರಳಿದರು ಆ ದೇಹ ಅದು ಅಳಿಸಿದರು ಈ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಅನದಿರು ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಯುವೆ ನಿನ್ನೆದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವೆ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಅಳದಿರು
Very good morning to all. Happy Independence Day. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Once again, I wish you a happy Independence Day. We conducted many programs through online. In that, fancy dress is one of the most exciting things for our kids. They dress apart and resemble their favorite character like fruits, animals, cartoon and other character. Here are our children with a colorful dress to enhance the beauty of Independence Day. Here are the children Riza, Shanvi, Maria, Zahara, Seven George, Varsha, Bhanavi and Diana. I welcome all the children and let's enjoy. Thank you.
I am Nia studying in UKG section. ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಂಪು ಕೂತಿಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರುಂಡ ಚಟಾಡುವೆ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. My name is Maria Postina. I will study Ugichi. I will Janchirani. I will save country. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. Be it jewel or toy, not the prize gives the joy, but the striving to win the prize. Yes, dear students, you all have put all your efforts and dedication to give your best in the competition. We have conducted fancy dress competition for our little kids. First prize goes to Ria. Second prize goes to Sanvi. Third prize goes to Maria Faustina. I thank each students and parents for their cooperation. Thank you.
Happy 75th Independence Day. I'm glad to announce the winners of Fancy Dress Competition and Storytelling Competition. I would like to announce the winners of Fancy Dress Competition. Zahara from 1st Standard B section got first place. Second place grabbed by 3 students. Sivin George from 1st Standard B section. Varsha P from 3rd Standard C section. Bhanavi from 3rd Standard A section. And the third place goes to Diana from 3rd Standard A section. Congratulations, children.
Children are like God. When they speak, it's a greatest joy to hear them. And also, when they sing, it's like a little nightingale's singing. So, we have conducted rhyme competitions for our little kids. First prize goes to Rida Fatima.
Hi, my name is Rida Fatima. I study Bharat Mata School, nursery school. I
Singing. I am singing.
I am singing rhymes. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Jump up high, jump up high. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Turn around. Wave your hand, wave your hand. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Wave your hand, wave your hand. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Aane bantu aane, Yahurane, Vijapure rane, Illige bantu, Tari tapi bantu, Kaprila hanstu, Aane uri hoitu. Thank you.
Second prize goes to Ria.
I am Ria, studying in UKG session. I am telling rhymes. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music, listen to the music. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music.
goes to Advika TS.
I'm Advika, studying UKG. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teethy chin, curly hair, very fair. Eyeshadow, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is it you? Yes, yes, yes.
Very good morning to all. Our next event is storytelling. Everybody likes story? Yes, I too love story. Storytelling helps the children to imagine the story's character. It's develop vocabulary, memory and improves listening skill and encourage creative thinking. Here is Rehan Ahmed in front of you with a good story narration. I welcome Rehan Ahmed. Let's enjoy the story. Thank you.
They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not able to crush my spirit. Good morning all. I am Rehan Ahmed of class 4th, Barak Mata English Medium School. Today I am going to tell you all an interesting story of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, also known as Shahid-e-Azam, who was born on 28 September 1907 in Bhangra, Punjab. His father Kishore Singh and mother Vidyavati. His family members were actively participated in all the freedom movements. Since his childhood, he wanted to fight for the nation. When other freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi chose non-violence, but he chose violence. So he joined young revolutionary movement. He even worked with the great leaders like Chandrasekhar Azad and Ram Prasad and Shahid Ashfaqullah. Bhagat Singh and his fellowship wanted to kill a police officer, James Scott, who was reason for Lala Lajpat Rai's death. But they killed J.P. Saunders, so they all hanged on 23rd March 1931. So this day is celebrated every year as Martyrs' Day. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखदा है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, जय हिंद, जय भारत माता.
Now I would like to announce the winners of storytelling. Rehan Ahmed from 4th Standard C section got first place. Second place goes to Redanya from 4th Standard C section. Third place grabbed by two children, Tenzin Chongchong from 4th Standard C section and Tanvi from 2nd Standard. Congratulations children. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Happy Independence Day to all. We all are so different, but there is one thing that unites us, and it's independence. We should honor it and never forget how hard it was to get it. Good morning, Honorable Father, respected teachers and the entire Bharat Mata family. My name is Anvisha Paudel and I am from 6th B. It gives me a huge pleasure to welcome you all through this digital platform. Every year we celebrate this grand day in a grand way in our school, but due to this pandemic we are not able to celebrate it. Still, we are united together through these digital forms. Our school conducted various activities like solo song on patriotism. A patriotic song is an emotion and you must not embarrass an audience with it or they will hate your guts. I welcome my friend Himani from 5th A to present her song. ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಕನ್ನಂಬಾಡಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನ ಕವಿಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ದೇಶವ ಆಳಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ನಾದದ ಸುಧೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ಗಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಶೌರ್ಯವ ಮೆರೆದಿರುವ ವೀರ ವನಿತೆಯರೇ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Good morning. Happy Independence Day to all. We got independence on August 15, 1947. Freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. I'm Sinchana SM from 7th B. We conducted different events in digital platforms like speech. Speech is when spoken language is used to communicate. A speech should not just be a sharing of information but sharing of yourself. Now I welcome our friend Vedika Acha from 7th B.
ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ, ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾನು KS ವೇದಿಕಾ ಆಚಾರ್ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ B ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ದಿನ. 1947 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಅದರ ಸಾವಿನ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿದೇಶಿಯರು ಆಳಿದರು. ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸರು, ಗ್ರೀಕರು, ಡಚ್ಚರು, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷರು, ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿದೇಶಿಯರು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ದಾಸ್ಯತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನರಳುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ನೆಲೆಯೂರಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಡಕು ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷರೇ ಸುಮಾರು 200 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದಾಸ್ಯತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನರಳುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಉಸಿರಾಡೋ ಗಾಳಿ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಸೇವಿಸುವ ಆಹಾರ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಆದರೂ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಬದುಕಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ನಾಯಕರು ಚಿಂತನೆ ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಧುಮುಕಿದರು. ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಲೋಕಮಾನ್ಯ ಬಾಲ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ತಿಲಕ್, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ತವನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದಾಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಮುಡುಪಾಗಿಟ್ಟರು. ಬಾಲ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ತಿಲಕ್ ರವರು ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪಡೆದೇ ತೀರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ರವರು ನನಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ತ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಗುಡುಗಿದರು. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿರವರು ಮಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂದು ಘೋಷಿಸಿದರು. ಅನೇಕ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು ತೆರೆಮರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಈ ಭವ್ಯ ಭಾರತ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಜಗದಗಲಕ್ಕೂ ಪಸರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾತಿ, ಮತ, ಪಂಥ, ಧರ್ಮದ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಮಾಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿಯ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾತೃತ್ವದಿಂದ ಬಾಳಬೇಕು. ಅಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಜ್ವಲ ಭಾರತ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಅಡಿಗಲ್ಲು ಹಾಕಿದಂತಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ವೈರಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ, ಚೀನಾದಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಮಾರಕವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಣಮಿಸಿದೆ. ಚೀನಾದಂತಹ ಕುತಂತ್ರ ಗಡಿ ಸಂಘರ್ಷ, ಕೊರೋನಾದಂತಹ ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಮಾರಕವಾಗಿ ತಡೆಯೊಡ್ಡಿದವು. ಹಲವಾರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಧೃತಿಗೆಡುವುದು ಬೇಡ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಚ್ಛಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮೆಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ಲೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ.
Good morning. Happy Independence Day to all. Let me take this great privilege to announce the winners of different events which were conducted by our school in digital platforms. Now I am glad to announce the prizes of our higher primary section. We conducted speech competition. In this, Vedika Achar from 7th B got first place. Second place grabbed by 2 students, Prajvita S from 5th B, Jismita Kaifus from 6th C. Third place goes to Nishita AJ from 7th C. The second event is drawing. In this, Sohan M. Swami from 6th C got first place. Pragnashri from 7th B got second place. Third place goes to Chandan R from 6th C. In solo song competition, Himani from 5th A got first place. Second place goes to Alina K. Nair from 7th B. Third place goes to Vedika Achar from 7th B. I congratulate all my dear students, and once again I wish you a happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Greetings to all. We pay tribute to all the Indians who went through the struggle and fought back to gain Indian independence. Let's feel proud to be part of our glorious nation. Let's think of our past and promise that we could build a better future for all. I am Chetan, immensely glad to welcome Sakshi to sing a patriotic song. Welcome my classmate Sakshi to sing a song that cherishes the beauty of motherland.
A very warm greetings to all. I am Sakshi from class 10C, here to sing Kannada patriotic song. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಆ ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ಮರೆತೇವು ಮನವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ, ಎರೆದೇವು ಒರವ ಹಿರಿ ನೆನಪ. ನರ ನರನವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಆ Hello India, saluting my nation where each bud blooms in its true colors, where each day is a celebration of unity, harmony and synthesis. Let our soul soar high with the essence of freedom. Let us pledge that we will do everything to protect our rich culture and heritage of our nation. I am Deepika P, highly elated to welcome my classmate Ketana Acha to render speech.
Good morning, Indians, respected teachers, honorable chief guests, and all my dear friends. I am K.S. Ketana Acha from 10th A, here to talk to you about our Indian independence. Firstly, a heartfelt wishes for everyone a happy Independence Day. This year, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. Every year, we are celebrating this day with a great enthusiasm, gloriousness and joy. But this year, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to join gather and we are not able to celebrate this special day. Anyways, this day is always remembered in the heart of each and every Indian. Now, let's go a year back. We all know that we got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. We got all the fundamental rights in our own nation, our motherland. We all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth in the land of independent India. History that reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers work hard for the Indian independence under the brutal behavior of the Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here how hard the freedom was for Indian for the independence under the British rule. Some of the great freedom fighters like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and many more. They are the great patriots who work hard for the Indian independence till the end of their life. Now, our country is in the right track of development. Today, India is one of the well-established democratic countries all over the world. Mahatma Gandhi ji was the great leader who taught us about the effective way of freedom like Ahimsa and Satyagraha methods. He dreamt of independent India with non-violence and peace. Before I leave, I want to remind you something that we should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of tomorrow India. We all should work hard to reach the goal and success of our democratic nation. We all should join together for the development of our nation, our motherland. Thank you for one and all for giving me this small opportunity to express my opinion about the Indian independence. Once again, wishing you all a happy Independence Day. I sign off. Thank you.
I am Sujata, assistant teacher of Bharat Mata School, Koppa. We had organized numerous events like solo song, essay writing, speech and drawing through online mode to inspire students to exhibit their in-depth talents. I am extremely pleased to announce the winners from high school section. To begin with, solo patriotic song. The first prize is backed by Sakshi KF. Second prize rewarded by Tejaswini MA. Third prize goes to K. Ketana Achar. Second event speech based on India is my dream. Ketana Achar is being honored with our first prize. Manvit D. Shetty bags the second prize. The third prize won by two students, Pavana and Diksha B. The next event is drawing based on Indian independence. The first prize rewarded by Sakshi KF. Second prize backed by Ansi Mary Anthony. Third prize goes to Amalya Bojamma. The last event, essay writing. Topic is India independence. Sania is being honored with a first prize. Tejaswini MA rewarded second prize. Third prize goes to two children, Dimpana and Ketana. Congratulations all my dear students. All the very best for your next future. Thank you. I remain.
Speech is the way of expressing our thoughts. If speech is about Independence Day, it comes along with the emotions and prevails over the heart of a listener. On this occasion of Independence Day, I welcome Matthews from second year science to give a thought-provoking speech on Indian independence.
ಸುಮಾರು 250 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಆಳಿದ ಪರದೇಶಿಗಳಾದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಹಲವು ವೀರ ನಾಯಕರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಹೋರಾಟಗಳ ಚಳುವಳಿಗಳ ಫಲವಾಗಿ 1947 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಲಭಿಸಿತು. ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಎಂದು ಕೊಂಡಾಡುವೆವು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಕುರಿತು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಅವರು ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮಕಥೆಯಾದ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಎಂಬ ಗ್ರಂಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರುವ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಜೆಗೆ ಅವನ ಹಕ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಕ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಎಂಬ ಈ ಎರಡು ಘಟಕಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಜೆಗೂ ಅನುಭವಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ಎರಡೇ ಅಕ್ಷರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೈತರು ಹಗಲಿರುಳೆಂದೇ ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ? ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ಣತೆಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೈತರು ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆಗೆ ತಲೆಬಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಬೆಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆಗೆ ತಲೆಬಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಲೂ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ, ಬಡತನ, ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆ, ಜಾತಿ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಟ, ಕೊಲೆ, ಸುಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯನ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಎಂಬ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಅವನ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೊಂದು ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಗರಡದ ಮರಿ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿನ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಕೇಳತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ವ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ಲಘುವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಮರದಿಂದ ಮರಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿಯಾದ ನಾನು ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಬಲ್ಲನ? ಆಗ ಅದ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ, ಗುಬ್ಬಿನ ಕಾಗೆನ ನೋಡಿ ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಕಾಶದ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಏರುವ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನೀನ್ ಏರ್ಬೇಕ ಹೊರತು ಕುಗ್ಗಿದವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಕುಗ್ಬೇಡ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಪುಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ ವೀರ ನಾಯಕರು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾದರಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಏರ್ಬೇಕು. 1930ರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ, 1942ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರೇ ಭಾರತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಿ ಎಂದು ಘೋಷಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಚಳುವಳಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಹೋರಾಟಗಳ ಚಳುವಳಿಗಳ ಫಲವಾಗಿ ಅಹಿಂಸೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟ ವೀರ ನಾಯಕ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ. ಅವರು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದ್ದ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಯುವಕರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಎದ್ದೇಳಿಸಿದ ವೀರ ಯೋಧ. ತನಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಕ್ಕೆ, ತನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಂಧು ಮಿತ್ರರು ಇದ್ರೂನು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಣ ತೆತ್ತು ಭಾರತೀಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಕುರಿತು ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಎದ್ದೇಳಿಸಿದ ವೀರ ನಾಯಕ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಅವರು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಗ್ತಿತ್ತ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 1857ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ ಮುಂತಾದ ವೀರ ಯೋಧರು ಈ ಲೋಕ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸದೆ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 1947ರಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1947ರವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಗುಲಾಮಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದು ನೀಗಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಯ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಮುಂತಾದ ವೀರ ಯೋಧರು ನಾವೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರು ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ ಎನ್ನುವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಬೆಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಳುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನ ಬದಲಿಸಬಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನದಿಂದ, ಸತ್ಯದ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನದಿಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಮಾಜನ ಬದಲಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ಸರಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ವೀರ ಯೋಧರು ಕನಸು ಕಂಡಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಲಭಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪೂರ್ಣತೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷಣ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ.
A flow of words that expresses our emotions, which sounds melodious as it intends to touch the listener, is a patriotic song. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, I invite our beloved friend Don Vincent from Second Commerce to sing a beautiful patriotic song.
Hi friends, I am Don Vincent from CEBA. Here now I am going to sing a Malayalam song. जनकोटिकल्कु जीवामृतं जय भारताम्बक्य वन्दनं जनकोटिकल्कु जीवामृतं जय भारताम्बक्य वन्दनं ओ हृदयमे हृदयमे उणरु नी वेळയിൽ प्राणനും ജീവവായുവും ഭാരതാംബയാമമ്മേ ഭാരതാമോചനം ധീരനെ സ്വാഭിമാനികളെ സലാം ചോരയും ജീവനും വീര്യവും ത്യജിച്ച യോദ്ധാക്കളെ സദാ ഹൃദയമേ ഹൃദയമേ ഉണരു നീ വേളയിൽ जनकोटिकल्कु जीवामृतं जय भारताम्बक्यु वन्दनं जनकोटिकल्कु जीवामृतं जय भारताम्बक्यु वन्दनं ओ ശാഭിമന്ത്രമായി ഹിന്ദുവും മണ്ണിൽ സ്നേഹദൂതുമായി ക്രിസ്ത്യനും സമാധാനമോദിയും സൽമാനും ശാഭിമന്ത്രമായി ഹിന്ദുവും മണ്ണിൽ സ്നേഹദൂതുമായി ക്രിസ്ത്യനും സമാധാനമോദിയും സൽമാനും ഒരു നറുമലരിതണു പോലെ മനസ്സു ചേർത്തിടാം ഭാരതമാതാവിൻ മടിയിൽ ചാഞ്ഞുറങ്ങിടാം ഇവിടെ ഭാഷവേഷത്തിൻ കീർത്തിയാർന്ന താരേ ഇനിയുണരുക ജനതേ ഓ ഹൃദയമേ ഹൃദയമേ ഉണരു നീ വേളയിൽ जनकोटिकल्कु जीवामृतं जय भारताम्बक्य वन्दनं जनकोटिकल्कु जीवामृतं जय भारताम्बक्य वन्दनं ओ
Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Hello everyone. Bharat Mata PU College, on behalf of our Independence Day, had organized various cultural events like collage making, pencil sketch, essay writing, speech and solo singing through online mode to provide an ample opportunity to our students to showcase their innate talent. Our students enthusiastically participated in all the events and displayed their excellence. I am Preeti, very glad to announce the winners of the cultural activities of the college section. We had organized a collage competition on the topic Is India in Chains? Aishwarya AK of 2nd Commerce secured first place by expressing her imagination in vibrant colors. Second place is bagged by Joel K. Anthony of 2nd Science. Third place is secured by Sinchana AC of 2nd Commerce. Up next, pencil sketch competition was held on the topic My Favorite Freedom Fighter. It's Pratik L. Aras who showed his amazing artistic skill and secured first place. Second place is secured by Alfia Y of 2nd Science. Third place is bagged by Pranav S. Srikumar of 2nd Commerce. An essay writing competition was based on the topic Is India Really Independent? Jai Shri KG of 2nd Science is being honored first place for her exceptional writing. Second place is backed by Shamita Patel DV of 2nd Commerce. Third place is secured by Mehnaz Banu MN of 2nd Commerce. Speech was held related to Indian independence. It is Matthews of 2nd Science is honored with first place for his wonderful talk with a marvelous expression. Second place is bagged by Shamita Patel DV of 2nd Commerce. Third place is secured by Shalit KT of 2nd Commerce. Singing is always expression of feelings. Patriotic solo singing competition was held. In that, first prize goes to Don Vincent of 2nd Commerce for his enchanting voice. Second place is secured by Neha N of 2nd Science. And third place is shared by two students, that is Bhumika CB of 2nd Science and Anuradha SG of 2nd Commerce. Congratulations to all the participants and the winners of the cultural event. Thank you. Wish you all a happy Independence Day.